Hello everybody. Today I'm not working on cars. Today I'm actually working on something for my birds. I have over 100 quails, just hatchlings, and I have over 45 baby chickies that are hatched. So I need to make a coop for them. So I got a pellet I dismantled. I got another pellet that I can dismantle. I got some of this plywood I picked up from construction site. And then I have some of this wood right here sitting at the back of the house from my previous project. So I'm going to use this to build something for them. Let's see how it turns out. I also have this old wire that I might be able to use. And then I got a roll of this wire here. I'm going to utilize, see how it turns out. I might not be able to make full video, so I'll show you as it progresses. Just made a circle around the board. I'm gonna cut it out. I use that Black & Decker, and here we go. Looks pretty round. Minus some problems, I guess. Okay, so I created this. This is going to be the base. And I'm going to put in 2x4s to make the legs. So I got the legs temporarily mounted. I'm trying to make the inner pieces to lock it in place. So I turned my table saw full 90 degree and got them cut. So far they're lining up like they should. There you go. I'm gonna put all four. There you go. Staple them. I've temporarily secured it using staples. So now I just gotta connect the leg with the pallet boards I have. There you go. The legs are secured. Now I have just temporary staples, but I'm gonna end up using screws for everything down here. So let's turn it around and secure the table from top, putting the screws down. There we go. Upside down. I mean, right side up. I got the table up and I'm gonna secure it from top, put screws down. So the material that was left over from the table I used to make the top circle, and I used 4 of the posts on the side. I'm going to try to put this on top of that table, and let's see. There we go. 1, 2. Center these out here. Center these out here. There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and connect these to the bottom, and once it's done I have to wrap it all around with the small skinny wood that I have. It's gonna be a lot of staples. After I've done that, I would make the door, the window, and the shelves inside. So far I just added these little panels here. This is going to help me to build a you see that 1, 2 over there, 2 over there. I'm going to connect them, and it's going to help me create a perch area, or like sitting area, for the quails to sleep and lay eggs. So right here, it's not the prettiest, but I think it's going to work. So here's the first floor. I mean, for one side, I got the fronts are done. So from the back, this is how it's gonna look. We're not gonna see everything, but this will be the door here, and the access points from here. So you're gonna get access to the quail's eggs. You can easily reach out, clean it up. I'm gonna build same here, the back of there. I'm only going to bring 2 shelves, and the bottom area is going to be perch. Sorry I couldn't show you this, but the first section is complete. Right now, this is their resting, sleeping, laying eggs boxes. And in here, I gotta use with the wire brush, is going to be attached like that to 8-foot or 6-foot run. So what I had to do was cut a hole like that for the run. So here we go. This side is complete. That side is complete. This side is halfway. And that's what I ended up doing outside. So this is going to be towards the run. This right here is the window section. Anyway, I ended up getting a 2x4 and cut that into pieces. The rest of them would fit in here. So I gotta work on another 2 pieces of 2x4 to fix this area. And it's very simple. You just gotta have a staple gun, grinder, and staple things together. I'm gonna end up drilling and putting screws on each side just to secure it. And have to grind all these nails out. That's it. I'm gonna continue to work. Still working with these leftover parts and small skinny pieces. So this right here is from the pallet. I dismantled some pallets. And this right here is a 2x4 cut. And I ended up using 2 2x4s from the. I think that's going to be it for today. If I have time, I'm going to try to finish the run. But if not, that'll be tomorrow. Look, Nicola is making chicken coop. Sophie has her chickie in there.